Ang sarap na, luto na. Ayan na, ang bango. Ay. Good morning mga kamaster. So ngayong araw na to, magluto tayo ng adubong manok. So ayun, nagpainit na tayo ng lagayan. So ayun, nag-init na tayo ng kawali natin. Habang nag-init tayo ng kawali natin, ayan, nag-iwan ako ng sibuyas, sili. Naglagay din ako ng luya para ayos at may bawang. Ayan yung manok natin. At ang ilalagay ko dito ay Sprite. Sprite, saka mantika, asin, saka pamintan doog, may toyo tayo at may oyster tayo. Ayan yung mga sangkap ng adobo natin, adobong manok. Ayan, adobong manok by Bicol version ng cup natin. Ayan. Ng mantika at igigisa na natin yung bawang sibuyas sa luya. Painitin lang natin yung mantika. Lalagay na tayo ng luya. Ayan, binagyan ko ng luya para ayan, mga lamig-lamig natin sa katawan. Nakakatulong yung luya para ng lamig ng katawan natin. Kaya pala pag nagluluto ako, palagi ako naglalagay ng luya kasi malaking bagay din. At ayun, isunod na rin natin yung sibuyas. Sunod na rin natin yung bawang. Ayan, pinagsabay-sabay na natin yung luya, bawang, sibuyas. Sunod na natin yung manok. Ayan. Isa-isayin natin. At pagkatapos natin ilagay yung manok, takpan natin ng mga hanggang sa maluto yung manok, mga 10 to 15 minutes. Ayan, babalik na rin natin ang manok, saka lagyan natin ng toyo. Ayan, lulutuin muna natin siya. Baliktad na natin yung manok. So ngayon lalagyan na natin siya ng sangkap. Lalagyan na natin tong sili. Ayan, sili. Maglalagay din tayo ng asin, yung tama lang. Sunod na rin natin yung pamintan durog. At ilagay na din natin yung toyo. Yung tamang toyo lang. At maglalagay tayo ng oyster. Ayan, para mas lalong sumarap yung ating adobong manok, para mas makulay. Ayan, mas masarap. At ilagay na natin yung sekreto ko. Ayan, naglalagay tayo ng Sprite. Itong natin yung Sprite. Ayan, sarap ito. Ayan. Tatakpan natin ulit ng mga 15 to 20 minutes para lutong-luto. Ayan, ang sarap na, luto na. Ayan na, ang bango. Ayan. Ang bango, ang sarap. Kain na na mula dito sa Zatwa. Ayan, kain na na. At ayun, malapit na tayo mag 1,000 subscriber. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye. Adios.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you